What's up, beautiful people, and welcome back to HERSTYLEZ TV. I'm back with another crochet video. So I'm doing this install on a transitioning client. She is transitioning, of course, from relaxed to natural. She wants to embrace her natural hair, which I am all down for. And another thing is she's in the military, so we can't have it big and bushy and extra full. So right now I'm just using my Kiss Red Pro dry vent blow dry brush and my Babyliss ceramic porcelain dryer. Now the smoke you're seeing is actually steam, or not steam, was smoke from, I got a little too happy with the leave-in conditioner because I like to saturate the client's hair with the leave-in conditioner because it is a heat protectant. So I did put her under the dryer first a little bit before using the direct heat to her hair with the blow dryer. So yeah, I got a little too happy with that. That's why you saw the steam. So if you've seen one of my crochet videos before, you know I do a circle in the back with straight in the front, straight back in the front. So I'm using Trendy Tresses Goddess Curl. This is my first time using this hair, and the hair was very soft and very light. Like, that hair was very light. So with soft light hair, I loop it at least 6 to 7 times. So just to make sure it's secure, because like I said, with the light hair, you got to make sure it is in there or it'll kind of unravel. If you do like 2 to 3, it won't stay really secure if you do 2 to 3 loops on the hair. So of course I did 6 to 7. And yeah, so as you can see, the braids, I like to do bigger braids in the back, and I really didn't braid her hair very tight because she is transitioning from relaxed to natural. The hair is already kind of in a little bit of weakened state between the natural hair and the relaxed hair. So I didn't braid her hair extra tight, or because I didn't want any breakage or anything while her hair was in this style. So like I said, she wanted to put her hair, or I don't know if I said this, but she wanted to put her hair away. And actually this was her first time trying a crochet style. And actually, do y'all see how much she is talking? This was her very first time coming to see me, and we was chatting it up like she have been a client of mine for a very long time. So I love new clients like that. When you come in, you feel comfortable and you feel like I've been doing your hair for the longest, and we just chat it up, laugh, and have fun while I'm doing your hair. And I'm not one of those stylists, if I'm talking, I stop doing your hair. I know how to multitask. So yes, but yeah, I was just amazed that she was just chatting it up with me like that. But I forgot what we were talking about, but we was just having a good conversation. And I've also had new clients come in and fall asleep. And I had one client, she was like, I've never fallen asleep in a new person that's doing my hair or at the salon, period. I'm like, girl, because I make sure you have a relaxing, good time. And you're supposed to be escaping from the world a little bit and come and relax. And if you want to talk, you talk, because we know that the salon can be a therapy session at the same time, because we're not only stylists, we're a listening ear. Sometimes we're therapists, things like that. So as you can see, I've talked a lot in this video, but as you can see, I've finished her hair, and I am about to cut. I always trim. If you don't want it cut, I make sure the ends are trimmed nicely because I don't just install and just send you on your way. I've had clients tell me that they've gotten their crochets done before and they just installed it and that's it. And I'm like, what about cutting it the way you want, or just cutting it to frame your face? They're like, no, they just sent me on the way and I had to cut it when I got home. I'm like, where they do that at? But anywho, I always cut at least the ends if you don't want anything else cut. I cut at least the ends and make sure those are, nicely cut if you don't want any length cut off. So that's what I'm doing. And like I said, she's in the military, so I didn't make this install very full because she have to put her hair in a bun and put her hat on. And so I made sure she was able to do that, especially in the front. So yeah, she was very specific, like, girl, I gotta put this hat on when I go to work. So yes, so it may look a little spacey, but it's not. Once I got done, it's not spacey at all. So after I finish, see right here, we're doing a bun test to make sure she could get it in a bun. And if you know anything about the military, they gotta have their hair off their shoulders. No ifs, ands, or buts. So yeah. So we're just doing a test here, making sure it goes in a bun and her hat could be on. And yeah. So I'm gonna stop chit-chatting for just a moment and let you just enjoy the rest of this video. All right? Okay, girl. All right, I'm back. So I always go in with my iStyles iFormit styling foam to kind of tame it down, tame the frizzies down, get all the extra shedded hair out, and cut whatever else I need to cut. And it does tame it down, but once it dry, it gets back fuller. So that's what I always do. You should always finish the style with a styling foam just to, like I said, give a more polished look, to tame down the frizzies from installing it. So yes, I always use some foam. Foam is the key. Also, you can use foam like if you have had your install for like 2 weeks, or it started getting a little tangled and a little matted. You could go through with your hands and kind of separate it with your hands with the foam, and kind of, you could cut a little bit of the knots once it get a little older. But yes, foam is the key when having loose hair crochet braids. So just that hair tip. All right. I just want to pop in and say, if you are in the metro Atlanta area, I'm located in Smyrna, Georgia. And if you are in need of any natural hair care services, you can make an appointment with me at www.HERSTYLEZHairstudio.com. Also, if you are in need of any natural hair care products, you can shop my iStyles hair care product line at www.istyleshaircare.com. Alright, so we're coming to the end of this video. Don't worry, that long strand I did eventually cut it, but I am done. This is what the front looks like, and I got that front piece, I cut that too. And I always go back, check, make sure no long strands, make sure anything needs to be cut, like this back part. Some of that at the bottom I did make sure that was cut to make sure that it was even. And like I said, I got that long strand. I got that long strand in the front. So don't worry, I didn't send her out like that, okay? So, like I said, this is the end of the video. She really loved her hair. She even came back for a crochet maintenance. So, if you made it to the end of this video, go ahead and hit that subscribe button. Hit that notification bell so you know when I drop a video. Thumbs up if you like this video. Comment what else would you like to see on this channel, or do you want me to keep bringing these crochets, talking about these different types of hair, because I actually love these trendy tresses. So that's it, you guys. So I will see you on the next one.